Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting SRT subtitles files to JSON format. You can see I have a SRT file. I can double click on it to open it into SRT viewer. It's a free app showing what is inside of SRT, and we have a start time, end time, and text. I'm gonna be converting this file to JSON. Also, in this viewer I can also save it as a different format. But I will be downloading application from my website and installing it and converting it to JSON. In order to find the application, I'll click on search and type SRT, and I need this SRT converters page. Click SRT to JSON, and then click on download button to download it. And wait until archive will be downloaded. I will be recording more videos on SRT converters and JSON converters, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are waiting for archive to be downloaded on my computer. It will be downloading from Google Cloud, and because Google is a little slow, it's scanning archive before releasing it to customer. So you can see I have downloaded archive. I'll click on it, double click on MSI to start installation, and click on more info on the screen. Now I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen, and you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop here. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we are selecting input files. I'll click on this button to select input file. Navigate to my subtitles folder. In my documents I have a subtitle folder somewhere. Here it is. And then I'll select file, click open. I can select multiple files if I want to, but click on next step after all files selected. On step, there are no conversion options on step 2. I just click on next step, and on final step I can preview JSON and I can save it as a JSON file. So let's save it. It's asking me for name and location of the file. Let's save it into documents, and I think I can view file in JSON format. It's JSON viewer. It's also free app. I will leave link on this app too. It's showing what is inside of JSON file, and you can see we have all our data saved. Also, I think Firefox showing JSON nicely. Let's drag and drop into Firefox. And you can see it has a nice JSON structure with start time, end time, and text. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more videos and more applications like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.